In the early morning, the wife wakes up and gently asks her husband what he would like to eat today. She tells him that there is already cooked rice at home, but the husband smiles and says that the weather today feels just right for a delicious vegetable biryani. So, without delay, the wife happily heads out to collect fresh vegetables for the special meal. At this moment, the fresh vegetables are being carefully washed with clean water to make sure they are perfectly fresh and ready. Once that is done, they will be chopped and prepared for the vegetable biryani. At this moment, the husband is preparing the rice for the biryani, carefully washing it with clean water so it will be fresh and ready for cooking. The rice is now being gently parboiled in a pot of water. To infuse it with a subtle aroma, a few whole spices are added, including cardamom, bay leaves, cinnamon, and just a touch of salt. To continue the biryani, oil is now being poured into another pot. One by one, the rich spices are added: chili, onion, ginger paste, garlic paste, bay leaves, cardamom, cloves, salt, cinnamon, and many more aromatic ingredients. Finally, the fresh vegetables are added, bringing color and flavor to the dish. After the vegetables are cooked halfway, the half-boiled rice is gently layered on top. The pot is then covered tightly with a lid, and a ring of dough is sealed around the edges to lock in all the heat and steam. This slow, dumb cooking method makes the biryani far more flavorful and delicious. At this moment, some onions are being fried until golden and crispy to be added to the biryani. This extra touch will enhance the flavor and make the biryani taste even more delicious. At this final stage, the crispy fried onions and a touch of ghee are being added to the biryani, enriching its aroma and making the flavor even more irresistible. The biryani is now fully cooked, and it is finally time for them to sit down and enjoy the meal. As they taste it, they are amazed to discover that a simple vegetable biryani can be this rich, flavorful, and unbelievably delicious.